Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the tank with water as the acoustic model under the seismic load to consider the acceleration in the tank and in the water. The water is the acoustic part, and we apply the seismic loading along theta direction as the amplitude. So if I click here, you can see here, click on animate, you can see the deformation of the water of the tank. And let me use this to make it a little bit better. So first let me I'll remove the tank and request for pressure, place all, remove this, and click on this for the pore pressure. This is the water deformation. You can see that. See, this is the acoustic part, and this is the pore pressure in the water. We use also hydrostatic pressure as the elevation in the predefined field to consider the hydrostatic pressure. You can check the absolute pore pressure. The bottom is the maximum because of the elevation, and these are the waves of the acoustic parts. You can check the velocity, displacement, and now let me replace the tank. Here, this is the tank, and we can check the stress spread. This is the cylindrical tank. In this view, see, now we can check the pore pressure. See here the water. Okay, if you need to model the tank contains water as the acoustic part under the seismic loading or frequency analysis, no problem. You can use frequency model, and we have considered that in the video, the model and the frequency analysis also for the acoustic part. You can use this tutorial. So if you want to provide it, come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on the title. Then you will have the geometries, parts, assembly, then the material interaction load, and at the end the result as the figures you can see as the acoustic model. So the cost for the CAE INP English video step by step is 28 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email to tell you about the content of the tutorial and the payment process. Also, if you need to learn Abaqus uh, in all fields, you can provide this full package containing more than 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulations and modeling. And you can see here we have the main titles here, and in the each main titles there are many subtitles. For instance, these are our main titles you can read. And the cost is so affordable for the students or the teachers of this full package, and you can find it anywhere with this price. So if you need this full package to learn all things and be master in Abaqus, contact me again to this email to tell you about the purchasing process, the contents, anything that you need to know So thank you for your attention.